Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi everybody, Geordie here, and today we're doing another lot of the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra, which will be doing numbers 24, 25 and 26. Feel free to subscribe and leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's crack on. Issue 24. Have a quick flick through the magazine. Okay, with this we're getting a chassis reinforcement. So just added that, and we're just installing that on the car. So we'll get the parts open, we'll get the chassis down, find me a little mat to support the engine, and we'll crack on. Get the parts, get a knife, get them open, get the part down, and we'll crack on. Okay, we'll get this part, and making sure I don't catch these wires. We're going in from underneath, and get all these holes lined up. Push that in, push that in. Then we're going to turn the car over. Now this is where we're going to watch the engine. So I've got me. I think we're going to turn it over. To me it looks like there are lots of screws. Right, I've got to lock this down with screws, and to me it's there, what I can see. Not there. It's got to be on the other side, because this is weird. Hang on, I'm going to sort out where these screws are going to go. And this is the last screw going in now. So there's that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And that's basically what we'll do with that issue. So I'll just lift the cord away from this. And lift that. And we'll get issue 25. And we'll flick through the magazine. So 25 is just the rear wheel left arch. That's 25. I might as well pull out 26 because 26 is just the opposite side. So quick go through the magazine. 26. My old car. And rear wheel arch on the other side. So that's that. So that's the parts for 25. That's the parts for 26. So I'll get them opened and we'll crack on. Right, if I can get this in. Right, this bit goes on here. It's got it on. Take it off. And it's held on with 2 big end screws. So I'll need a bit of glue. One. The other bit fits in there. And there's a plastic bit here. Looks like I need to get a little screw out. Which is 2 IP screws. This goes on there with 2 IP screws. It'll be fun to put on. So I can get this. Then I can get the top one in first. This you've got to support this bit because it's plastic. And that bit's metal. Okay, I'll get the other side open and we'll get that sorted. Okay, this is just a mirror image of that side, so that'll go in there. That'll go in there. And then, as of that one, that'll go in there and there. So, 1 BM screws for the bottom. 1, 2, I'm going to pull it free. And my screwdriver. I'm dipping into a bit of oil because I'm going into metal. That one in. The other BM in the oil. And that's that one in. And I'm going to get 2 iron screws out. See, these are plastic, so I don't need any oil. It's going to go in there. That's going to go in there. Support it from the bottom. Screw it in. That was pretty solid in, that one moves. That's it. The iron screw. Pull it from the bottom. That locked in, that locked in. And that's the wheel arches done. And that completes that pack for this month. So got another pack to move on, so we've done quite a bit. We're getting quite a bit of the chassis done. I think when we're moving on next, I think there's a couple of bits to go in the side here. That's one issue, and then we're moving. Then this is going to be we're moving on to doing the back chassis. So I think so. That's it then. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I'll catch you again when I get round to doing the next lot. So bye for now.